How to use retinol to get maximum results. Retinol, a form of vitamin A, is an ingredient added to skin creams, lotions and serums. It has anti-aging effects and can help clear acne. Products containing retinol are widely available over the counter, and stronger concentrations of retinoids are available by prescription. Some people refer to it as vitamin A1. When retinol is incorporated into age-preventive skincare routines, it helps accelerate skin renewal, enhance collagen production and reduce the appearance of aging. Uneven texture and age spots. When present in the layers of the skin, retinol promotes cell turnover and prevents the breakdown of collagen, a protein that promotes skin elasticity. Common side effects of retinol include itchy, dry and flushed skin. A person can apply retinol once per day. Retinol can increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun, and a person should apply sunscreen after use. Retinol is a topical treatment, meaning you apply it on top of your skin. Retinol comes in many forms, including creams, gels, lotions, ointments, serums. Retinol is also sometimes used as an ingredient in cosmetic products. How do you use retinol? As effective as retinol is when it comes to reversing damage, how you apply it can affect the results you see, because this product can cause skin to dry out and sometimes turn red. It's best to talk to your dermatologist before starting a retinol regimen. Most dermatologists advise to start with products that contain a low concentration 0.25% or 0.3% of the ingredient first, and see how your skin reacts before moving to higher concentrations. Here's how to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine. Get 0.2% retinol cream to start at a low concentration. Retinol is pretty powerful, but higher concentrations can dry out your skin if you're not used to it. Choose a retinol cream with the lowest concentration the first time you add it to your skincare routine, so you're less likely to cause unwanted irritation. As your skin gets used to using retinol, you can try a higher concentration instead. Retinol creams are also available at prescription strength, but only use them if your dermatologist recommends them, since they can cause more irritation. Apply retinol at night. Sunlight makes vitamin A and retinol less effective, so applying it before you go to bed helps you get the full effects of the cream, since you don't have to wash the retinol off after you put it on. You can let it absorb into your skin overnight while you're sleeping. Develop a regular skincare routine at night so you don't forget to apply retinol. Wash your face and wait 30 minutes for your skin to dry. Use a gentle facial soap and warm water to get rid of any dirt and oil so you have a clean face. Pat your face dry with a towel and then let your skin completely air dry. Avoid using retinol when you have wet skin, since it could cause more skin irritation. Treat under-eye wrinkles with eye cream instead, since your skin there is more sensitive and retinol may irritate it. Rub a pea-sized amount of retinol into your skin. Squeeze the retinol out onto your fingertip and dab it lightly over your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. After that, start working the retinol cream into your skin. Keep the cream away from the corners of your eyes and the corners of your mouth, since it could build up and cause more irritation there. Avoid using more retinol than you need to, since you could make your skin feel irritated and red. You do not need to wash retinol off after you apply it. Follow up with a moisturizer after about 20 minutes. As soon as the retinol absorbs into your skin, take a fingertip-sized amount of moisturizer and rub it into your skin. Since vitamin A makes your skin feel dry, moisturizer will help keep it protected and hydrated while the retinol works its magic. Use retinol every 2 or 3 days when you first add it to your routine. As the retinol absorbs into your skin, it helps promote collagen growth and cell turnover, so it can cause a little bit of peeling. Give yourself a few days to see how your skin reacts to the retinol, and wait until you don't have any redness or irritation before you use it again. If you have sensitive skin, wait a full week before you use retinol products again. Work up to daily use over the next few weeks. As your skin gets used to retinol, you won't notice as much irritation or flaking on your skin. Rather than waiting every few days, try using retinol every other day and check how your skin reacts. If there are still no signs of irritation, you're safe to use retinol every night. It may take a few weeks or months for noticeable results from retinol. Just stay persistent and continue using it if it's not causing any irritation. As long as you keep using retinol correctly, you can control acne and minimize your pores. Continue using retinol even after you get rid of acne to help new breakouts from coming in. How often to apply retinol? Start by applying a pea-size amount of retinol to your entire face every other night. Recommends Dr. Joshua Zeichner, a board-certified dermatologist and director of cosmetic and clinical research at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. Remember that it takes several weeks for your skin to adjust to the product. So it's best to use it sparingly at first and gradually increase your use as time goes on. If your skin becomes dry or irritated, Dr. Zeichner suggests holding back to every third night or even once per week. When to expect results? As with any other skincare product, the key to seeing results is consistent use. Retinol will not deliver visible results quickly, so patience is essential, says Dr. Shireen Idris, a board-certified dermatologist at Union Square Laser Dermatology and clinical instructor at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. Improvements in textural changes take about 2 to 4 months to start to become visible. With continued use, you'll see more and more positive changes, so find a retinol you love and stick with it. Hope you found what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share with your friends if these videos are helpful.